Good evening. The question is, what role did your family play with you as candidate to Binibining Pilipinas?
Well, my family's role for me is so important because they was the one who's very oh, I'm so sorry. My family. Oh my God. I'm okay. I'm so sorry. I I told you that I'm so confident. Ito, wait. um, Sorry guys, because this was really my first pageant ever. Because I'm only 17 years old. And I did not expect that I came from one of the top 10. Mm. So, but I said that my family is the most important persons in my life. Thank you.
Candidate number 15, Shanina.